Welcome to Factorising. So we're going to have a look at factorising, which is the opposite operation of expanding. The first step of factorising is that we find the highest common factor of every term that's there. Now we're going to focus on just having two terms, but there could be more terms if, that we could look at. And what you find as the common factor goes out the front. Inside the bracket, you write the what's remaining for each term. Here's our examples. So we're going to factorise fully, which means that you must take everything out the front. And I'll explain it. The first one's only got one thing that we can factorise, but the second and third example have multiple things that we can. And we've got to take everything when it says factorise fully. So here's our first one. 3y plus 6. The common factor of 3 and 6 is 3, so that's what we take out the front. 3 goes into 3y y times, and 3 goes into 6 twice, so that's what goes inside the brackets with the plus sign. Second example, 2m squared minus 8m. So as I was saying, we could just take the number part, so common factor of 2 and 8 is 2, or we could just take the letter part, which is the common factor of m squared and m is m, but that would not be factorising fully. We have to take both the 2 and the m out the front. So 2m into 2m squared is m, and 2m into 8m goes 4 times, with a minus in between, which was in the question. And our final example, 4abc and 6ac squared. So the common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. The common factor of ABC and AC squared is AC. Now once again, we could take any combination of all of those, but because we're going factorising fully, we need the 2AC out the front. And 2AC into 4ABC goes 2B, and 2AC into 6AC squared goes 3C. Thank you.